the type of night you look up at the sky, you think, where the fuck we going? Where we going? Did I say that wrong? Going wrong, knowing, cause you know it. Thinking where you wanna set off to the green mountains. Thinking how you gonna see your been fountains. Dripping waters, they slow and they slurring, we furrowing, we going through the motions. Leaving through the ocean, high beach following, and we thinking how the yachts riding. And then we speedboat chasing, get the jets flying. And talking about cloud nines, we cloud high, thinking right around the skies, living how high. Talking about, and then we talking about old niggas, old cats, they talking gas, talking now. And then they on the news, coach 85, and it's doing 87 on the channel 5. Looking on the news, you could be a setup on the daily. And I'm talking on the old show, hey, the heartbeat sends to thinking how I'm being right around the town. I'm high.